Have you ever used an English phrase and wondered, did I say that right? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many English learners use common phrases incorrectly, but today we are fixing that. I'll show you 5 phrases you're probably using wrong and how to use them the right way to sound more formal. And stick around because the last one might surprise you. Let's get started. Let's start with a classic mistake. I am agree. This phrase is incorrect because agree is a verb, not an adjective. The correct way is I agree. Easy, right? For example, if someone says, it's a great idea, you respond, I agree. Practice this one. It's an instant fluency booster. Have you ever made this mistake? Be honest and tell us in the comment section. Next up, I am boring. Be careful with this one. I am boring means you're a boring person, not something you want to say about yourself. If you want to say you're feeling bored, the correct phrase is I am bored. For example, this lecture is so boring. I am bored. Got it? Write your own sentence using I'm bored or boring in the comments. Let's practice together. Here's a tricky one. He's married with 2 children. This might sound fine, but in fluent English, we don't use married with this way. The correct phrase is he's married and has 2 children. The word and connects the 2 ideas more naturally. Did you know this one? Let me know if it surprised you. A lot of learners make this mistake. Can you explain me this? The problem here is with the word order. The correct phrase is, can you explain this to me? For example, can you explain this rule to me? Practice this one to sound more polished. Pause the video and try saying this phrase out loud. It will help you remember it. Finally, I am looking forward to meet you. The mistake here is forgetting that to is part of the phrase, not an infinitive. The correct phrase is, I'm looking forward to meeting you. For example, I'm looking forward to meeting my new teacher next week. What's something you're looking forward to? Tell us in the comment section using the correct phrase. Thanks for watching. Did any of these phrases surprise you? Let me know in the comments. And share this video with anyone learning English. See you in the next video. Let's keep learning together. Peace.